Good day, sir, and welcome again to our project called South African Job Connect. I have updated some of the features that were required from me due to the previous submission. So here, I'm not gonna use the regular login that we had before because I want to show you guys how the Google feature works. So I would sign in with Google. I'm going to add another account because this is for someone else. Okay, now I have entered in towards the application using the Google profile. So here is where I can update my profile settings like the display name and also create a new password for that. But I will not do that for this purpose because I have used my Google account. Then I'm gonna go back home, find your dream job. This is where people would come to search. Come search assistant lecture. Let me just take that one. Name. Then I would come in, upload the CV. Let me just take this. Then I would submit the application. Now, for me to view the application that I have applied to, I would come to my applications, and here is the application that I'm saying assistant lecture. The status is still pending, and I can also cancel the application. So cancel it, and the application is gone and cancelled. So now if I could come back here again, see there's nothing, and let me just edit again. Let me try a different junior lecture. So coming in, student, upload the CV, submit application, and if I check my applications, here is my application and it is still pending, waiting for it. Here is the section for view opportunities. So our users can have the ability to add a job opportunity that they would want. So I would come here and add opportunity title. Let's say I'm looking for database and analytics, and the category is IT, and then the short description is Then after I've filled in all the information, I would save the opportunity, and it would come and appear on this section of opportunity. So if I can go home, say find my dream job and write data analytics, that's the one we just created in the previous one, and I can also apply to it. Upload a CV, and I would submit application. Then if I go back home, look at my applicants, here's the analytics one that has just been added. So yes, and I can also log out. Now I would like to show you the language feature, so I'm just gonna change my language. So I'd come here to change languages. Here's the language. Let me add. In my program I used Zulu as a second language. Let me just find it now. Here it is. So now I would apply. Now that I've selected the language of Zulu, I'll go back to my program. So as you can see, also the name has changed, and now it is written in Zulu language. I'm going to register with my Google account one more time. So it allowed me because the previous time I didn't properly log out. Then now my section is in Zulu language, and I could do all my changes within the application. So this is how the language feature is working, and I'm gonna log out now. I'm going to log out. Okay, I'm gonna change my language back to the original. Let me just put it back. Okay. Okay. Now that my language is back to normal, I'm just gonna show you the other features that I have not explained, like our register and login. So if I'm a new user, I'd come to register, and I'd say the password is strong, so I'm gonna register. Now you can see that welcome test email, and if I wanted to change the name, I'd come here and possibly also change the password. So I would go to save changes, and the profile is updated with the new password that is existent in it. See, it wants me to save the new password, but I'm not gonna save it. Okay, I showed you the searching feature, my application, and views. Okay, so now I'm gonna try test out my offline features. So I just switched off my internet connection, and then I'll try to view opportunities. So opportunities would pop up here, and you would be able to use it, but you'd get a notification that your data is kind of like in off